To register to Phage Option, follow these steps. In a browser, search the conference webpage. Scroll down to the section, How to Participate, and click on the link that will show you the register form. Fill with your personal data all the fields in the form. In the form, you can indicate if you are submitting your work to present a talk or a poster. Choose only one option by clicking No on the one that you're not applying. In case that you are not submitting a research work, you can click on No in both fields and then keep the abstract field in blank. Once you have completed the form, you may click on this link to pay your registration according to the registration type chosen on the form. In case you can't pay immediately, you can pay after by going to the conference webpage and click on the button Register Now in the section Registration. This link will take you to the payment platform of the Universidad de los Andes. If you have already used this payment platform, type your credentials. If you have never used this platform, click on the Sign In link. It will show you a new form that you have to fill out to proceed with the payment. The field Identification Number has a drop-down list where you can select Passport to type your passport. The Country drop-down list shows a list of countries where you can browse your country of origin. Notice that the list is in Spanish. Then select the state or province where you live in the section Department and your city at the City field. Finally, write your home or office address, telephone number, and mobile number. In the Data Confirmation section, the system shows you the data you just filled. Check if everything is correct, then click on the button Continue. Once you have completed this form, a confirmation message will be sent to your registered email. The sent link will take you to the payment platform to establish a password. If you don't have a Universidad de los Andes email account, select in Authentication Type. User without a Uniandes email address. Type your credentials, and then click on the Accept button below. Now, click on the link, Make a Payment. Fill out these fields like this: Unit, FAC de Ciencias. Department, DPTO de Ciencias Biológicas. In the Product section, you must select the type of registration indicated in the registration form. Unfortunately, the list is in Spanish. Let us translate it for you. If you selected Academic in the registration type, click on Academia no Latam USD. If you selected Student, click on Estudiantes no Latam USD. If you selected Professional, click on Industria no Latam USD. Then, click on the Continue button. In the Basic Information section, verify again your personal data. And in the next section, Event Information. If you're not part of the Universidad de los Andes, select External in the Occupation field. Continue filling all the affiliation data. And in Number of Tickets, write 1. In the Payment Information section, confirm the currency that will be used for the payment. You must pay in US dollars. Then, in Payment Type, you can choose to issue your payment using 2 available options. Again, this drop-down list is in Spanish. So, if you want to pay by wire transfer, select Transferencia Bancaria desde el exterior. Or, if you want to pay by credit card, select Tarjeta de Crédito. In the Invoice section, indicate if your invoice will be paid by a third party. If that is the case, you must fill out the following information of the third party that will pay your registration. In the field Tax Responsibilities in Colombia, left the box marked on No. Finally, type an email address to receive the electronic invoice. The pop-up window requests to confirm the data to send the invoice. Click on Yes to confirm. In the last section, you must confirm to accept the terms and conditions by clicking on the box. After that, a Make a Payment button will appear to continue to finish your payment. In case you have chosen Wire Transfer in the Payment Information section, it will appear another section called Transfer Information. Print or screenshot it to save the information that must be used to issue the wire transfer from your local bank. The recipient bank is Davivienda International, located in Miami, USA. The address of this bank is stated in the direction field. And to do the wire transfer, you must indicate in your bank the ABA code 066011389 and the SWIFT code CAFE US 3M. The number account is indicated in the cuenta field, and the recipient name is Universidad de los Andes. If your bank requests an invoice reference number, this is indicated in the field Referencia. Finally, a payment deadline is indicated in the last section. Notice that the date format is date, month, year. Don't forget, you have until September 30th to the early bird payment.